Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Play Store. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and go back and open your setting apps. From here you scroll down and tap on apps and tap on apps management. And scroll down and search for this Play Store. Scroll down. From here you guys can see Google Play Store and tap on this. From here you tap on permissions. You make sure that allow all permission. Tap on connect and tap on allow. Go back and tap on SMS and tap on allow. Go back and tap on phone and tap on allow. Go back and tap on location and tap on allow. Go back, allow all permissions. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on force stop and tap on force stop. After that, tap on storage usage. From here, you tap on clear all data. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. Go back and open your Play Store. From here, you tap on Play Store. Wait a few seconds. From here, you search for this any app. Tap on KFC, tap on install. You guys can see KFC installing your app. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.